Looking for the best camera for beginners? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 4. Nikon Z50. Our pick for best-built camera for beginners, the Nikon Z50 stands out as an exceptional choice for photography enthusiasts who value both build quality and user-friendly ergonomics. As the only model in its class that boasts weather sealing, it offers you the comfort of shooting in various outdoor conditions without compromising on performance. This feature allows you to focus on capturing stunning images knowing your gear can handle unpredictable weather. You'll appreciate how well constructed the Z50 feels in your hands, making it an ideal entry point for those new to photography. With Nikon's reputation for excellent ergonomics, you'll find the controls thoughtfully positioned and the grip comfortably designed for prolonged use. This means you can spend more time shooting and less time worrying about discomfort. The camera is equipped with a versatile tilting screen perfect for capturing selfies or unique angles. Additionally, the large high-resolution viewfinder provides a clear and detailed view of your subjects, ensuring that you won't miss a moment. With support for JPEG and RAW file formats, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to edit and share your images. It also features digital image stabilization, helping you take sharp photos even in challenging conditions. Whether you're a beginner or stepping up your photography game, the Nikon Z50 is designed to enhance your creative journey every step of the way. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10. Our pick for best beginner camera for content creators. If you're a beginner stepping into the world of content creation, especially video and vlogging, the Sony ZV-E10 is an excellent choice for you. While it does have photography capabilities, this camera is specifically designed with video in mind. You'll notice its streamlined design lacks a mode dial, allowing for seamless transitions into video mode without hassle. One impressive feature is the large microphone equipped with a clip-on muffler, ensuring superior audio quality that often surpasses built-in mics found on other cameras. This is crucial for creating professional-sounding content, as clear audio is just as important as great video. You'll appreciate the advanced autofocus system that keeps your subject sharply in focus even as you move around. The presentation mode in particular is invaluable for demonstrations. It automatically shifts focus to items held in front of the lens, making product showcases a breeze. However, it's worth noting that the ZV-E10 lacks in-body image stabilization, which could affect your videos, especially during handheld shoots. The menu system is also not touch-responsive, which might feel limiting when using the camera. A significant advantage for you as a beginner is the Sony E-mount, providing access to a wide range of lenses from both Sony and other brands. Plus, with its appealing price point, you're getting a powerful tool tailored for video creation. Elevate your content with the user-friendly features of the ZV-E10. Number 2. Nikon D3500. Our pick for best DSLR camera for beginners, the Nikon D3500 stands out as a unique choice among cameras, being the only DSLR on this list. While many manufacturers are shifting focus to advanced mirrorless models, you'll find that the D3500 remains an excellent option, especially if your primary interest is photography rather than video. Boasting a high-quality 24.2 megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor, this camera captures stunningly detailed images with rich tones. At first glance, the D3500 may seem basic, but it's equipped with a valuable guide mode designed specifically for beginners like you. This feature acts as a virtual photography tutor, walking you through the camera's functions and even in-camera photo editing, whether you're just starting out or gradually gaining confidence. Guide mode adapts to your needs, ensuring that you understand the basics while also allowing for more advanced control as you develop your skills. When it comes to lenses, the camera typically comes with two options, but we recommend the DX1855 vibration reduction kit lens for its added benefits. The vibration reduction feature helps you capture sharper images, especially in low light settings, making handheld photography much more manageable. Furthermore, the D3500 supports both JPEG and RAW file formats, giving you the flexibility to edit your photos to your liking. With an extended ISO range starting at 100, you can shoot confidently in various lighting conditions. If you're eager to dive into digital photography, the Nikon D3500 is a fantastic starting point. and finally the number 1. Canon EOS R10. Our pick for best camera for beginners. The Canon EOS R10 is one of the best choices for beginners diving into digital photography. While it may cost more than other entry-level cameras, its features make it worth the investment. This versatile camera is great for both photography and light video work, helping you capture stunning images and videos with ease. Designed with beginners in mind, the EOS R10 is lightweight, easy to handle, and has a user-friendly interface. Its high-resolution sensor and fast burst shooting let you capture the perfect moment, while its reliable autofocus system ensures sharp focus, so you can focus more on being creative and less on adjusting settings. However, it's important to note that Canon's new lens lineup is still growing, so your lens options might be a bit limited as you build your kit. With the EOS R10, you're not just buying a camera, you're investing in a tool that will help you grow as a photographer. It's perfect for beginners who are eager to learn, and for more experienced users looking to upgrade from older DSLRs.